Hello and welcome back to In Stitches with Jackie. Today I'm going to do you can see here this black birdie or crow or whatever it's supposed to be. It's a lace design and it's actually a bookmarker. So I wanted to stitch out some of the lace bookmarkers. I wanted to make some for some gifts. Actually, I was planning on making some of those for Christmas, and that didn't happen, so I'm going to stitch some of them up now. So this one I believe was from Urban Threads. It's not real big, looks like 3.86 by 3.16. I'm using my 4x4 hoop. I do have black bobbin thread in and black on the top. Anytime you're doing a lace design, you want to make sure that you match the back because you're going to see both sides. And this is a wash away stabilizer. Didn't say anything about hooping it with 2 layers. Sometimes they say to do that. This is generally a pretty small design, so we're gonna get this started and see how it goes. I have not stitched this yet, so here we go. Okay, not bad. Pretty impressed with it. There we go. So this little wing part here, after I get the stabilizer off here, this wing part will flip up and that will be a really, really cute bookmark. I'm thinking about doing it in some other colors also. Thinking about maybe doing a blue one and maybe a red one. Not bad. Pretty fast stitch out and it's gonna make a really cute gift. So I cut the excess stabilizer off and now I'm just gonna immerse it in a little bit of warm water and then this will open up. You can see it better here. It's really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead, immerse it in some water, and this will be all set. And this is a really cute, it's a really cute finished design. And again, I believe it's from Urban Threads. It is a bookmark. So after I get all of this extra wash away stabilizer, this wing is gonna pop up and I'll demonstrate how it looks when you put it on a book for a bookmark. Okay, just to show, this is what I do. So I ran this under a little bit of lukewarm water and pretty much got all of the stabilizer off. Not completely all of it. It has to dry, but this is what I do. I just take a couple paper towels and I'll let this dry overnight. I'm not going to try to put this on the book now because it's wet and there are some sticky parts. I don't want to totally rinse all the wash away stabilizer. I want it to have a little bit of you know, firmness. So this is pretty thin, it's pretty delicate, but I think it's really neat. Make it as a bookmark. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. At first I wasn't gonna buy it, and I wanna say it was like $4.99, something like that. I will provide all the information in under more description. And just really cute. I mean, this would make such a cute gift. I don't think it has to be black. I think that it would look really cute and pink. I was thinking about stitching one in this really cute, like the robin, what is this, summer sky blue. Maybe making a red one, a blue jay, a robin. You know, you could make this anything. It's a bird. At first I thought it was a crow because it was black, but yeah. I think you can make this in multiple colors. So again, I'm gonna let this dry overnight and then I will show how it looks attached to a book. Okay, this is the gray one I stitched up. Be very careful when you're trimming up some of these threads because I nicked this one a little bit. So basically the same thing. You're just gonna slide them up there. Just like that. And he works the same way. And you could use both of them, right? Say I have 2 pages. They're so cute. Look at how cute this is if you have 2 pages you're saving. It'd be so cute to have all different colored ones. Well, I hope you like this video. It's a nice short one. Great gift idea for all those book lovers who like to have a book in their hand, or for us quilters who like to have a lot of quilting books. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, consider sharing, and please press that subscribe button. Thank you so much.